Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Khairul Anwar. I will give a presentation about English for fishing. The result is descriptive quantitative research. This description and detail the research data obtained using the activity analysis method. The purpose of each study if result was scored results are analyzed by study when solving Newton law problems and determine the level of understanding of student Newton law concept. This research was conducted on 21 students consisting of 11 female students and 11 male students at SMK and one Muarajambi, an instrument used in this study. An item description is part of two open-ended questions. Open-ended is caused because it allows students to demonstrate a deeper understanding the application of physical principles. The data obtained of this study in quantitative. Data is obtained from the scores obtained from the question given. The result obtained the data turned the data set to understanding the concept of Newton law. Then the result analysis if quantitatively the result gives a score of for each student. Answer where if a student and where answer is correct, it will give a score of 5 and 5 does not answer question. He will get a score of 1 according to the predetermined criteria. The criteria used by recent here in analyzing student learning quite comments regarding Newton law in this study. Research in analyzing student learning or concerning Newton law in study. I give it 5 following criteria with the child I follow score 5 with the criteria of being able to answer in indicator will score for in math the criteria able to 3 to answer all indicator will they get a score of 3 if you are in the criteria of only being able to answer on indicator. The get of score of 2 with the criteria of not being able to answer all indicator correct. And finally with the criteria of not answering the in answering Newton law question in context of force and motion, 2000 emerged, namely number 1, object that move then 3 if I force the course, and object that are arrested or not moving 3 are not forced because the thing that 3 is air force, then 3 in motion, there is motion, the 3 is force. On objects that are in motion that no force are at rest of order not experiments move them. That then 3 is I force the course, so then I assume that 3 is motion, the 3 is no force, and is 3 is force, then 3 is no movement, is answering Newton law question in the context of mass, acceleration, direction, and force, two forms of thousand emerald. If reason has I learned much the taking of prospect of is much easier. Acceleration is great. If a patient has milder much the acceleration he has is greater that is with has as greater mass the this taking of cough because if he has small then escalation is later. Newton in problem in context in frozen motion the student have shown. What is this motion? This is force. Future Homer's thinking about Newton's law problem is context of mass, force, direction, will cause intellectual acceleration. Based often the result of feeling it can be artist's ability of female student is leading better than small student. You use their learning and analyzing. A phenomenon present is Newton's law material and greatly inferred ideal forms from their thinking. In Gretel, this understanding is correct in critical context but not the other, and you can be see that your level understanding of student concept is still is could stand in category for research and teacher in very important is to identity student activity reason because by talking student activity reason teacher can consider more opportunity learning and quality that are greatly more suitable. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.